Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Most welcome to Triangular Kamal Academy. Today I am going to discuss creative questions for the students of class 9 and 10, which is from set and functions from higher mathematics. So dear students, today I am going to solve the academic questions number 15 from exercise 1.2. In the last video content we have done from number 1 to number 14, and today I am going to solve number 15, and which is a creative question. Okay, first information, the f of x is twice x minus 1. A function is given here. The find f of x plus 1 and f of half. First information. Second information, show that given function is 1 function for x and y is a real number. And then third one, draw the graph of the given function. Okay, give attention to the number A. Given that it's a simple question, f of x equal twice x minus 1. So f of x plus 1 will be 2 times of x will be changed by x plus 1. X plus 1 minus 1 twice x plus 2 minus 1 twice x plus 1, which is our answer. Now f of half. Now x will be changed by half. So 2 multiply x, that means 2 multiply half minus 1. Eliminating this one, 1 minus 1 equals 0. So in the question number A, and the answer is the first step, f of x plus 1 will be twice x plus 1, f of half will be 0. Now give attention question number B, show that f of x is 1 function. For 1 function, first step you have to find the domain of the function or domain of the relation here. So number B, f of x is equal twice x minus 1 is a elements of R if and only if twice x minus 1 is greater than or equal 0, or twice x minus 1 is smaller than 0. Or you can write here twice x is greater than or equal 1, or x is greater than or equal 1 by 2. Here twice x is smaller than 1, or x will smaller than 1 by 2. So which indicate this one? Like if we consider here 0, this one is positive side, this one will be negative side of a number line. This one is x is greater than or equal half, like this one is plus 1, this one is minus 1. X is greater than or equal half, this one is 1 by 2, that means half. X is greater than or equal half, this indicate equal half indicate this circle, and greater than indicate positive side, and this one indicate from half to negative side, so left side. So the two condition, x is greater than or equal half indicate right side from half, x smaller than half indicate the left side. So finally we get whole line, that means this indicate domain of f of x equal set of all real number, or you can write here minus infinity to plus infinity. So anyone you can write here. So now requirement show that f of x is 1 function. So and we said here all real line is the domain. So we can take any value as a domain considering two values. Let x1 and x2 is the elements of dom f of x. So f of x1 is equal f of x2 belongs to R if and only if twice x1 minus 1 equal twice x2 minus 1. Or we can write here twice x1 equal twice x2 minus 1 plus 1, changing this minus 1 left side to right side, or twice x1 will be twice x2, dividing by 2 we will get here x1 equal x2, which indicate the given function is 1 function. So f of x is 1 function shown. So if the question requirement, if you see there is no requirement, the domain of the function, and the only requirement is one function, first step you have to find the domain and then take two values of domain. Without doing domain, you cannot write the let x1 and x2 as a domain. So first of all, if the question, if there is a absent, how to find the domain, or the requirement is domain is absent if you see, but you have to find the domain first step, and second step considering two elements as a domain. Then show if x1 equal to x2, then the function will be 1 function, and if you get here x1 equal to plus minus x2, then this indicate the function will not be 1 function. So basically we get these types of equation when we see any square equation like f of x is 1 plus x square, or 1 minus x square, or 1 plus twice x square. And when you see these types of square in the equation and the condition is given the real line, then this function always be, or this function will not be 1 function, because if we apply here any negative value, we will get here positive value only for square term. So now in question number 3, draw the graph of y equal to f of x and taking at least 3 points. So already we have done these types of questions in number 13 and number 14. Okay, dear students, question number C, solution. Given that y equals to f of x equal twice x minus 1. So y equal twice x minus 1. Find the corresponding value of y for different values of x. So question requirement said taking at least 3 points. This one is x, this one is y equals to twice x minus 1. So taking at least 3 points, first one, second one, and third one. So considering x equal 2, we will get here y will be 2 multiply 2 minus 1 equal 4 minus 1 equal 3. When x equal to 2, y will be 3. When x equal minus 3, like x equal minus 3 or minus 2, okay, considering here minus 2, then what will be the value of y? When x equal minus 2, y will be 2 times of minus 2 minus 1 equal minus 4 minus 1 equal minus 5. This one will be minus 5. So when x equals 0, like when x equals 0, then y will be 2 times of 0 minus 1 equals to minus 1. 0 indicate minus 1. So considering points in a plane is L, this one will be 2, 3, minus 2, 5, minus 5, 0, minus 1. Now write plotting all points in graph paper joining them one by one, we get a straight line shown in the graph paper, shown in graph paper. Taking both x-axis and or considering y-axis length of one smallest square is 1 unit. Just this is the unit. 2 unit, 3 unit, minus 2 unit, minus 5 unit, 0 unit, minus 1 unit. So 1 square length will be 1 unit. Okay, first one we will apply this fourth one, 2, 3. Okay, first draw x and y axis here. You will get like considering this one, and this is the negative side of x, so this one will be x prime. This is positive side of x is x. Now this is upper side of y axis, and below this one will be y prime, and this one is positive side of y. So intersecting point of both axes is called origin, which is indicated by 0 and 0. So now apply 2, 3. This indicate 2 is positive of x, 1, 2. Then 3, positive y, 1, 2, 3. That means this one is 2, 3. Minus 2, minus 5, minus 1, minus 2. Then now minus 5 of y, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. This one is minus 2, minus 5. The next one 3 minus 1, 0 minus 1. This one is 0, x, and this one is minus 1. So now joining 3 points, so now right here, so we can write here, this one is 2 minus 2 and 3, this one is 2, 3. This point indicate 0, minus 1. This point indicate minus 2, minus 2, minus 5. Minus 2, minus 5. And this line indicate y equal twice x minus 1. So this is question number. In the corner you can write here the graph question number 15 and C. Or also you can write here in the top corner the considering x-axis 1, the length of 1 square is equal 1 unit in the x-axis, and length of each square is 1 unit in the both y-axis. Or you can write here in the description box. So dear student, basically these types of question usually comes in the board exams, where the requirement is one function, on two function, or inverse function, and the graph of the functions, and this is the functional value. Basically this one is the MCQ type questions. So basically these types of questions usually comes in the board standard exam or any board exam. So thank you very much to enjoy this tutorial. If you have any question, please do comments. Hopefully see you again in the next tutorial. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.